This is Mike with ExtremeLeadProgram.com. This video will show you how easy it is to import our leads into the Extreme Autoresponder. In the Autoresponder, go into the Contacts tab and import contacts from a file. Select the list that you want to use and hit Next. Takes you up here to this box, and you have some different options that you can select. Confirm, unconfirmed is fine. You can still send your email campaign to them, no problem. Typically, you don't need to mess with anything up here at all. If you have a file on your computer that you want to use, you would hit like the Browse tab, find that folder, and hit Open on it. But the great thing about our system is that our leads are already in the system, ready for you to use. You don't even have to download them to your computer if you don't want to. You just click on the button that says Import a File for my website, and it'll bring a drop-down box that has a list of the files. They're named by date, and then the letters after them specify what group they're in, and you can see that in the back office and on our website to what group is which. The A stands for all. The all actually stands for all. Sorry about that. That's all the leads in the groups together. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. I'm going to hit Next, and it brings you up to a part where you would link the import fields or map the import fields. First name, which is in the file, maps to what field that you want in the system, and that's the one that we had set up before. We call it F name. Surname, which is last name, maps to a custom field that we set up called L name. Lead itself, when it says lead on this side, it means email address. So you want to map those. That one's the most critical one that you have to map correctly. IP address, that maps to contact's IP address. Address, that's another custom field that we set up, maps to the address custom field we set up in the other video. We haven't set up any other ones, so you can if you'd like, for city, state, zip, phone, etc. That's it for now. I'm going to hit Next. Go ahead and hit Start Importing, and it will begin the import process. And as you can see, it's starting to import the leads. It's just going to run through them all. I'm going to pause the video until it's done. It only takes a few minutes. It's 10% already, so I'll be right back. Okay, that ran for a little less than a minute, and it's finished up here. And just go to show you what it says. Tells you how many were imported successfully, updated if you were updating another list or whatever, any dupes, etc. Some of them contain bad data. This is normal. With this many leads, you'll get some with bad data. You can see the more information if you want, but these are probably email addresses not correct, things like that. But you still got close to 8,000 there imported successfully, and you're good to go. This is Mike with ExtremeLeadProgram.com.